Yeah, we can talk about finishing touch. It was not good enough. Against this team, you get to beat it easy. That's what I think. And we didn't do. So there are it's a lot of things where we can talk about, and it's not only to finish, to score goals, but there are many things today. I think that today we are not prepared, really not prepared to beat a team. And I think that had to come from the inside. That's what I said for a couple of days. And I think that we have a good team, much better than we showed today. But we had to stand up and we had to wake up, because I think it was not good enough today. And how we can score goals, I think yeah, you know, I don't want to talk because I don't want to blame Macau or Laos, but that are teams what we need to beat. But you can also see, sorry, that sometimes pressure, and you put pressure on players. That's what we need on high level, and you can see that if you put pressure on some of these players, they have to learn that everybody is outside. I'm only with 22 players on the inside, so play a game.